Nice stop.
This is Route 8. I have Matthew Smith's mom on the phone. How long before you're at the shop? I'll have my 112 stop.
Well done, dude.
Say that again, Alpha. I have my last 3 stops. I'm heading to the 36th and 112 right now. And then I have 2 more stops.
Lane, dipshit. Why I slowed down for you? Good morning. Good morning. Stop means stop. Just roll through my stop sign, dude. Make sure we're sitting all the way in our seats, guys. I hope you guys got all in one hole.
Yeah.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
Oh!
Yeah.
Well done, dude. Took that corner a little fast, didn't we?
I don't know what he did.
No, he went around the corner. He came out of that field back there, tried to make this light, tipped his rear trailer over. Brilliant. I know how them hay haulers run.
Yeah. Well,
That's one way to start your day.
Bye.
Have a good day. Have a good day, guys.